start investing from as little as 5 Rand. You don't need thousands of rands. You don't need to be a financial expert. You don't need to wait until you are rich to start investing. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to deposit money into your EasyEquity account using the Capitec app and how to buy your very first share. If you've been saying I want to start investing but I don't know where to begin, then this video is for you. Welcome to my channel where we make money. In this channel we make money online, we do crypto and stocks, and today we are going to fix our money mistakes by just investing. My goal is simple, is to help ordinary people take control of their finances and start building long-term wealth, one step at a time. If you are new here, consider subscribing because every week I share practical tutorials on investing, personal finance, business, and creating multiple sources of income. Now, let's get started. I am going to open my app. So you do need 2 apps. You do need EasyEquity account and also you do need your bank app. I do have a video that shows you how to deposit using EFT from any bank to your EasyEquity account. Before we jump into the tutorial, let me tell you why I like EasyEquity. For many people, investing feels complicated. EasyEquity makes it simple. Here are a few reasons why thousands of South Africans use it. You can start investing with a very small amount of money. You can buy fractional shares, so you don't need enough money to buy an entire expensive share. You can invest in South Africa and international companies. The app is beginner friendly and it helps you build wealth discipline over the long term instead of letting your money sit idle. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. So guys, if you are looking to create an account, you will find the link on my video description and also on my link tree, which is the bio. So let's start by opening the Capitec app. So I'll go to my Capitec app. As you can see, I only have 42 Rand and I am going to invest this on EasyEquity, buying a Capitec share. So when you scroll down on your Capitec app, you will see EasyEquity. If it's not added, click widgets and add it. And then you click allow. It will connect to EasyEquity. Log in, and once you get here, click my funds at the bottom. And then it will open a space for you to be able to deposit. So we are going to deposit under EasyEquity ZAR because we are depositing South African rand. So you can use EFT, but I am going to use Capitec because I do have a Capitec account. So EFT is when you have other banks. So I'm just going to select 40 Rand and click pay with Capitec. So can you see that the fee is only 1 Rand? So continue clicking pay with Capitec and it will give you this message. You have 2 minutes. Actually, it will slow down and go down. So go to your Capitec app. As soon as you open it, it will give you this option to click pay. If it doesn't give you this option, go to Capitec pay. You will see that it will show this amount. And then you are done. You go back to the app, EasyEquity. If you don't have the app, you can use Chrome extension to connect to it. So when we get here, the deposit is successful. Let's watch this. So as you can see on EasyEquity ZAR, I had 4 Rand, but now I have 44 Rand. Now I am able to invest. So the next thing is click invest at the bottom. You will see it at the bottom. After clicking invest now, it will give you an opportunity to select shares that you can select. So you decide ZAR shares or you want to deposit in TFSA, which is a tax-free savings account. And then I've selected ZAR and equities. So these are the equities that are available, but if you do not know or you want to search another one, just type Capitec or whatever share you want. It can be Standard Bank. You can just go through the list and see the one that you want to invest. Now there are 2 Capitec shares. Click the one that is at the top, and then once it opens, you go at the bottom, you type the amount. You'll see that the share, it's just that fraction that you are depositing. And then there's one which says buy best available, which is market order. Limit order is when the price has gone down. So just like that, you have bought your first share. You will also get an email. You can go to your portfolio to see that you do have this share. So you get an email, or as well, if you're buying on weekends, it will show the following day. You get an email saying now it's allocated. So congratulations, you just bought your first share. You're now officially an investor. So my encouragement is investing isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building